Alright, I need to get this washed. It is very, very dirty. The windows are super dirty, like you can't really see through them. I mean, it's hard to tell in the video, but there's something on them that just doesn't let you see through it. But that's okay. I'm off to the car wash. I'm gonna get it cleaned and it's gonna look mint. The next thing is that I'm gonna get it an oil change, and I'm thinking about doing something with the paint myself. So I don't know, hopefully it ends up looking better than that. There you go. Starting to look cleaner now. Next is the oil change. But yeah. It's got a lot of sun fade I gotta take care of. But overall, there you go. Alright, here I go. I'm gonna give it a try. Oil change. Use the 14 mil. Use the 14 to get the oil pan screw off. Empty it out, and next do the oil filter, which is right there. It's kind of hard to take out right now, so I'm gonna give it another try. Ahora sí, ya quedó. Estaba muy negro el aceite, ya está muy viejito, pero ya terminé. Ahora sí que ya tiene su aceite nuevo de 5W30 de high mileage, porque ya trae como unas 200 millas cerquitas, pero ahí está, ya se armó. Y ya brilla más.